Hello everyone, this is me Ishita. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So as you can see that I have created this look. This look is for New Year or Christmas or whatever you want. You can create this type of look for a party. And today I'm going to create this one, and I have created this dramatic eye look which is really fun, and also I have curled my hair. So if you want to know like how I have if you want to know that how I have curled my hair, please go ahead and check out my Insta video. You will get the video over there. My link is in the description. You can find my Insta link over there. This is really fun to create this look. This is really amazing. I'm very happy with the result. This is really amazing. As you can see that I have little pigmentation over here because I am breaking out a lot these days. I don't know what is the reason, but I'm working hard for my skin as well. So leave that skin care part. Today we are going to create this look. I hope you will enjoy this look. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer Stick. This is the first time when I'm using it. Let's see how it works. Okay. Will mattify your skin, as you can see. This is really amazing. Is this nice? So after that I will use this Maybelline concealer with the shade 45. I'm going to correct my acne spots, and I have a little pigmentation around my mouth, so you have to wait for like 1 or 2 minutes. After that only you can proceed with your foundation, otherwise वो सारा mess हो जाएगा. आप 1 मिनट के लिए इसे छोड़ देंगे तो it will set on your skin, so that you can proceed with the next step. So wait, I'm going to wait for 1 minute. Till then I will do something else. So now I'm going to use this foundation with the shade 43.5, and I have purchased this from Shopper Stopper online, but I don't know why in India you will get different shade, here you will get different shade, but use according to your skin tone. So I'm just going to create a dot all over my face. So I'm going to use this wet sponge. I have squeezed it very tight. It has no water, as you can see. So you have to do it like this. So guys, I just want to give you one tip. Like if you're having very pigmented lips, you can apply foundation over your lips as well, so that you will get perfect lip shade. So off camera I have done my eyebrow because it takes a lot of time to do my eyebrow. I'm very bad at doing it. For eyes, I'm going to use New Instant Age Rewind. So first I'm going to apply it over my eyelid. So guys, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hill contour to just do my crease area just a little bit. So guys, what is the problem with this eyeshadow? This e.l.f. one, it takes lot of time to get dry, so you have to, now the fun part is started. So what you want to do is just first of all draw the outline draw the outline. Just do it how I'm doing it here. So now I'm using this shade and I'm patting it over it like this. Very thin line. After that I'm using this kajal to tightline my upper waterline. Now I will apply it on my lower waterline. I will use this shade over here, just a little bit. Just wanted to highlight my under eye area, and that's why I'm using this instant age rewind. As you can see the difference, guys. For contouring or for giving structure to my face, I'm going to use this bronzer. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer with the shade Cappuccino. I will also use this concealer. This is from LA Pro Girl. After that I will use blush, and the blush which I'm going to use here is this one, Anastasia Beverly Hills. The first one, this shade, is quite pigmented, so it's very important. You have to be very careful while using it. So for my lips I'm using this from 9 to 5 Lakme lip color with the shade Crimson Case. And after that I will use this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip color. So I'll be back with my hair and I will show you my final look. Welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed my video. I hope you will love this video, and I hope you will create this look for Christmas or maybe for New Year party. I hope you will enjoy my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Please do comment, and please give me your beautiful comment and suggestion, whatever you have with you for me, so that I can grow more. So yeah, that's it from my side. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.